Hello, my name is Nahida and welcome to Enoven Foods. Today we are making a crispy and delicious bread ball snack with chicken stuffing. Let's get started. In a bowl, add 1 cup boiled shredded chicken, add 1 tablespoon chopped onion and 1 finely chopped green chili. Season with half teaspoon oregano, some salt, half teaspoon soya sauce and 1 tablespoon chili sauce. Add 2 tablespoons mayonnaise and mix everything well. Try adding cheese to make it extra creamy and delicious. Bread-based snacks like this are popular in many countries, from croquette to cutlets. Keep aside. Now take bread slices, cut off the edges. Use fresh or slightly stale bread for better shaping. Cut each slice in the middle to make smaller pieces. Lightly soak the bread in water and then squeeze out the excess water. Take a piece of soaked bread and place a spoonful of the chicken mixture in the center. Gently cover and shape it into a ball, making sure the filling stays inside. In a separate bowl, beat an egg. Eggs provide essential nutrients like vitamin D and B12. Dip each bread ball into the egg mixture. Roll it in breadcrumbs for a crispy coating. The crispy coating locks in the juiciness, making every bite perfect. Heat oil in a pan and fry on medium heat until golden brown. Baking instead of frying can make it a healthier snack option. Keep the oil at medium heat to ensure even frying. Chicken is a great source of protein, keeping you full longer. This snack is great for kids' lunch boxes, tea time, or even parties. Once crispy, remove and place on a paper towel. These chicken bread balls are crispy, flavorful, and so easy to make. Try this quick snack at home and let us know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Enoven Foods for more amazing recipes. See you in the next video.